Hey guys, today I'm doing Kiss Marry Kill with my squishies. And so I'm gonna close my eyes, guys. I'm gonna close them, they're closed. And I'm gonna pick 3 random squishies out from my squishy bin. And I'm gonna see which one I can kiss, marry, kill. So my eyes are closed. Can't know if you guys can see. But okay guys. So the things I picked out was, I blindfolded myself, was this blue air cake, or this rainbow Hello Kitty donut, or this squishy milk. So I'm gonna have to marry the Hello Kitty donut, kiss the milk carton, and kill the air cake. So yeah. The next squishy thing, and I'm closing my eyes, guys. Look, here, closing my eyes. 1, 2, go from the bottom. This one, okay. Ooh, okay, so we have this really defected hamburger. Or this dragon fruit. Or this licensed Hello Kitty waffle. So I'm gonna kiss the, I'm gonna kiss this, actually no. I'm gonna kiss this one, marry the Hello Kitty waffle, and kill this one. The next squishy thing, and I am closing my eyes, guys, I swear. I don't know if you guys can see me. I think I got 2 squishies, yeah. So the ones I picked out was this, my favorite squishy is my yellow air cake, versus this Hello Kitty, what the heck, French fries. This is not Hello Kitty, guys, obviously. Then I have this Kee-Brew really defected unicorn. So I'm gonna kiss this, marry this, and kill this French fry. So yeah, that was all the pairs. Done. So we're gonna do the next one. Okay, we thought, oh shoot, that's getting different. My dog, sorry guys. Stop! Come back! Oh my god, sorry. Come back, Charles. I'm so sorry, guys. I had to get my doggy. Look at him. Guys, I can't show you, but look, he's like right there. Like, no barking again, or we're gonna get put in the room. So, I picked out this one. We picked the other 2 out, and I'm not looking, guys, I swear. This one. And this one. So I picked out this replica of the I Bloom Peach versus this Punimaru Poop versus this really hard, not fake, like Camillo. So I'm gonna have to marry the Punimaru Poop, kiss the replica of the I Bloom Peach, and kill this one. The next things, and I am closing my eyes, guys, I swear, is this one and this one, and this one. So I have this Keroppi squishy. I think it's like the bread series, but I really want to finish the series. Then I have this cake and this bun thing. So I'm gonna marry the Keroppi one, kiss this, and kill this. So thud. And I am closing my eyes. So 1, 2, and 3. So here I have this pizza one. This is a Hello Kitty one, and it's licensed. So, ow, oh my god. Yeah. Then I have this Lucy, it's my thing. I don't even know how to pronounce it. But yeah. And I have this Michael's one. So I'm going to marry this one, kiss this one. Actually, no. I'm going to marry this one, kiss that one, and kill this one. We only have 2 more left, so yeah. I would marry this one and kiss this one. So that is all for this video. Hope y'all liked it. And yeah, I finished it. So yeah, I love you guys. Bye.